How to fix unable to change country or region in App Store on iPhone. Let's get started. First, launch your Settings app. Navigate to the Apple ID given at the very top. Now head over to the option Subscriptions. If you do have an active subscription, this might be causing this issue, so you have to cancel it. Just click on the subscription and hit cancel. Next thing you want to do is clear the outstanding balance in App Store. So close this and launch your App Store. Click on the profile icon given at the top right. Navigate to the Apple option given at the very top. Now in this list, you will find the option of balance. Click on that. If you have an outstanding balance, clear that. Likewise, if you have pending store credit or refund, you have to clear out that as well. Once you do that, you'll be good to go. Now lastly, what you have to do is leave family sharing group, head back, open your settings app, click on your Apple ID and then navigate to the option family sharing. If you are in family sharing, you have to leave the group. After you complete all these steps, restart your device and with that you'll be good to go. Your problem will be resolved. Now you'll be able to change your country or region in App Store on iPhone. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.